Already known for its versatility, HJC's IS Max was subjected to hours of extensive wind tunnel and CAD refinement. As a result, significant improvements in airflow, noise reduction, and stability highlight the IS Max 2's evolution. First to benefit were both the IS Max 2's precision sculpted lightweight advanced polycarbonate shell and integrated modular Chinbar. As a result, lift is virtually eliminated for most touring, sport touring, and standard bike applications, while directional stability and medial-lateral balance are equally outstanding. The result is an exceptionally quiet and stable helmet at speed. Meanwhile, the combination of the IS Max 2's precision CAD sculpted EPS liner and polycarbonate shell provides a massive size range that covers extra small all the way through 5 extra large. Complementing this meticulously crafted shell and EPS liner combination is the ACS ventilation system, a system featuring a significantly increased airflow capacity that moves heat and humidity up, through, and out the shell cavity. Enhancing the improved ventilation is HJC's exclusive SuperCool Moisture-wicking Interior that is conveniently removable and washable. Also, these SuperCool treated cheek pads are both eyeglass friendly and interchangeable, with 3 thickness options, which make for a truly customizable fit. And finally, one can't speak of the IS series without mentioning the Optically-superior, anti-scratch coated, Pinlock-ready, 3D face shield and reliable QuickSlide Shield actuation system that is complemented by HJC's HJV5 3-stage sun visor. A combination that ensures reliability, ease of use, and unsurpassed visibility in virtually any riding condition. Exhaustive wind tunnel testing, precision CAD design, and meticulous craftsmanship from the world's #1 helmet brand. The redesigned IS Max 2. Ride with quiet, cool confidence.